What is up, fam? Today we are, well, currently out at Manganese Falls here up in Copper Harbor. Super beautiful back here. We're gonna hike back out of here and then we gotta go pick up the bike. Probably won't ride till this evening, but I'm getting super stoked. The terrain and everything out here is just gorgeous and looks great for biking, so I'm getting pretty pumped. But yeah, let's go check out these waterfalls.
Okay.
Chubby, back up.
Dad, we're going this way. What path we take now?
This way.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna help you.
All right, come on. Walk to me. That's your hand.
Well,
Here, hold on. All right, hang out right here so I can help Mama.
I think I got it.
Come on, you're standing on my foot, David.
well,
Daddy's got
Come on.
you.
Right down here. All right, hang out right here for a second. Okay.
Mom,
I can do anything in these shoes.
this me.
No. Okay, hold my hand up.
Go, Beal. He's a freaking mountain goat. Huh?
Then why you doing what you doing up there?
I'm rock climbing.
While you're rock climbing.
It's fun.
Dad, be careful. Be careful with the tree. Daddy's a good rock climbing.
Daddy's a good rock climber.
Good rock climbing, Dad.
Thanks, Aiden.
Dad, you're the way up there. I can hardly see you.
I'm just right here.
I'm gonna come with
No, Haven, you're gonna stay right here.
Dad. Why you climb up? Why you swim over there? And why you climb up there?
That's the easy part.
And-
Going down's hard, so I'm not going that higher.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. I can't take the poof.
I'm really hungry.
Me too. We can go pick up the bike and then I guess we can get lunch after that and then come back out. Just came back to the cabin for lunch after picking up the bike. Now we're gonna head down to Calumet, where we have some service. We're not as good at this off-grid thing, especially with the toddler. Gonna go download some stuff on Netflix and YouTube, so we've got some content to consume later. As I said, we just picked up the bike and it is sick. It's a Kona Process 134, which just means 134. No, we've traveled back here, and I believe it's 140. Yeah, 140 up there. Got the SRAM Eagle GX 12-speed drivetrain. RockShox Deluxe Ultimate shock here and RockShox Pike up front. I'm super stoked to get out on this thing this evening. But for now, we're gonna go explore Cliff Mine, whatever the heck this is. Come on, Haven.
Why are we going back to the farm?
We're not, we're going this way.
Mom, I'm telling the car to stop.
You just like it when we carry you.
Yeah. Dad, I thought you do that.
Well, don't. Had to ditch the fam again. This ascent is not for the faint of heart. Almost. Ay, ay, ay. This is where good hiking shoe pays off. Oh, hell yeah. It's beautiful. Gonna head back down and turn the camera off. I need both hands. It was worth it though. Wonder what these were. Whoa! This is pretty cool. I have no idea what this is, but check it. It's pretty dope. Looks like Chernobyl or something. Come here.
We made it up here. We made it.
Alright. I'll set you down.
Mom, why are you holding on our head?
Camera. Walk up to the edge. Come here.
Now sit down.
Oh,
Now lean onto daddy.
come here. Oh. You're fine. Lean to my hands.
You got it.
What are you doing? Yeah, make it as difficult as possible.
Mom.
This reminds me of like Quiet Place too. The rust everywhere. I'm gonna get tetanus. Whoa!
What, Dad?
There's like a little tunnel out. It is time to get out on these trails. It's a little bit late, 7:30, but I think we can get an hour in before it gets too dark. Super stoked, super excited to ride this bike. I've been on a single speed hardtail all year and last year, so to be on a full squish with gears, this is gonna be sweet. And we're gonna go hit up some of the trails right up here in Copper Harbor, mostly built by rock solid trail builders. A few minutes away. Let's do this. Check this out. Rock solid trail builders are right over there. They camp out and they just build trails. This is what they do. They just set up camp, hang out there while they're building the trails and live there. That'd be so dope. Yeah, they've got some of it finished down there, so let's go freaking check it out. I'm sitting here editing while I wait for this fire to die down. I don't want it to catch that pile of brush on fire. I noticed that first night of riding, the gimbal was all screwy and kept dipping down into the top of the picture. So there won't be a ton of riding in this video, but I will leave the stuff that turned out all right, stuff that was salvageable, right here. These dudes have built something special. That was a ton of fun. Maybe that section I rode, maybe best trails I've ridden. I didn't ride much of it, just like a mile and a half of it twice. Everything's built beautifully, so flowy, so easy to ride. I'm excited to ride the other trails they've got back in Copper Harbor. Let's pack up and get back to the cabin. I'm gonna find a dumpster. Got a dirty diaper and a bag of trash in the car. It needs a home. Today was a good day. Just got back after the ride. Just gotta get cleaned up, packed up, ready for the morning. That's Kobe barking. Kobe! Well, I better go get him. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, hit that subscribe like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.